The human species has been evolving in built environments for only a fraction of the time compared to our time spent in natural environments. Our ancestors were connected to the earth through their daily lived experiences, from how they obtained food, built their dwellings, to the natural materials used for clothing. Our modern day lifestyles often include being glued to our computers for many hours indoors, living in structures built off the ground, and primarily wearing synthetic shoes that disconnect us from the earth's energy. These present day practices have considerably severed our connection to the earth and the time spent in nature. Many scholars believe this disconnection has negatively impacted human health and well being. The term biophilia is the combination of two Greek words, bio meaning life, and philia meaning love, translating to love for life. The biophilia hypothesis was proposed by American biologist Edward Wilson and suggests that humans have an innate biological and genetic tendency to affiliate with nature and other living organisms. And from an evolutionary perspective, this increases one's survival advantage. Proponents believe, and supporting evidence shows, that exposure to natural environments has significant benefits for psychological and physical health, such as reducing stress, increasing immune functioning, improving mood, enhancing cognitive functioning and creativity, as well as promoting overall well-being. The growing interest in integrating ecotherapy, also known as nature therapy or green therapy, into conventional social work practice has been gaining momentum as research is supporting the benefits of incorporating various aspects of nature into the therapeutic process to improve mental and emotional well-being. Several studies have reported humans' inherent affinity for natural settings and the restorative, stress-reducing benefits of interacting and even viewing natural environments. Ecotherapy offers individuals an opportunity to reconnect with nature and find healing through their interactions with the natural world. It has been found to reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, stress, and issues with attention. There are various practices that are included under this umbrella term, such as horticulture therapy, green exercise, wilderness therapy, animal-assisted therapy, or other activities that expose individuals to the natural environment. Forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, is the practice of immersing oneself in nature and taking in the forest atmosphere through all our senses. It is simply being in nature, taking a calming walk through a wooded area, remaining in the present moment, being mindful of all the sights, scents, and sounds of the forest, or engaging in other sensory activities intended to facilitate a connection with nature. The practice originated in Japan, and in 1982, a national health program for forest bathing began, recognized by Japan's National Institute of Public Health as a method of preventing disease and a complementary treatment for a range of physical and psychological conditions such as anxiety, depression, as well as a variety of stress-related illnesses. Numerous studies have shown that time spent in the forests decreased stress hormone production, lowered heart rate and blood pressure, improved working memory and immune system functioning, as well as documented positive effects on mood, increased relaxation, energy, creativity, and improved quality of sleep. Researchers are examining the effects of phytoncides, which are believed to contribute to the healing benefits of forests. Phytoncides are the natural oils released by trees and plants that are part of their defense system against bacteria, insects, and fungi. Evergreens produce the most of these volatile organic compounds, the main component called terpenes. This is the fragrant smell that you experience when walking through a forest. These essential oils are absorbed through the skin and lungs and have been shown to have an impact on physical and emotional states. One study found that spending just one day in the forest yielded more natural killer NK cells in the blood for 7 days thereafter, showing a lasting effect even after subjects left the woods. Exposure to phytoncides also enhanced the activity of anti-cancer proteins, decreased levels of stress hormones, reduced anger, hostility, and fatigue. The rediscovery of the benefits of being connected to the earth is credited to an innovator in the cable TV industry, Clinton Ober, who in the late 90s uncovered the value of earthing. Ober, along with pioneers and researchers, promulgated the health benefits of being grounded to the earth. Recently, there has been an accumulation of studies supporting the practice of earthing, also known as grounding. The concept is based on the idea that direct skin contact with the Earth's natural surface charge floods the body with the Earth's energy in the form of electrons, which equalizes the electrical charges between the body and the Earth and remedies an electron deficiency. The practice in turn neutralizes free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and associated acute and chronic conditions. Studies have shown subsequent improvements in energy, mood, wound healing, and sleep, restoration of optimal circulation and blood pressure by improving blood viscosity, and harmonizing of the body's natural biological rhythms. Also, reduction in pain and stress, among other anti-aging benefits to promote optimal health. So how can we ground? The practice is simple and achieved by taking off your shoes and walking barefoot on grass, sand, or even soil. Any part of your bare body can be connected to the earth. However, there are more than 7,000 nerve endings in each of your feet, so walking barefoot is an easy and effective way to ground. You can also dig in a garden, swim in a pond or ocean, or even lean up against a tree to obtain the healing benefits of the earth's natural energy. There are even specialized grounding shoes that you can purchase to protect one's feet if walking on unfamiliar ground. Other grounding products such as conductive mats, sheets, and patches can also be bought to ground indoors. As research continues to demonstrate the benefits of this innate practice, it is a promising intervention for a host of health issues and to promote overall well-being. Hospital noise, such as overhead paging, moving of bed rails, and medical equipment beeping as impediments to healing. Studies have shown noise to be associated with high blood pressure, elevated heart rates, sleep loss, slower recovery from heart attack, and staph fatigue. Studies have shown sounds of nature, such as rain, a breeze, the sea, moving water, and songbirds, to create a sense of calm and a sense of well-being by triggering the release of endorphins. Studies have also shown that these sounds of nature increase productivity and positivity in the work environment. There is growing evidence that sunlight can heal. Studies have shown that hospital patients with natural sunlit rooms took less pain medication, had lower medication costs, shorter hospital stays, and less stress. The biophilia hypothesis underscores the importance of connecting to the natural environment. There are a variety of nature-based interventions that utilize natural resources to promote human health and well-being. Nature-based interventions acknowledge the connection between humans and the natural world, and many practices are viable self-care tools that can empower clients to take an active role in improving their health and well-being. These techniques are user-friendly, non-invasive, accessible, and cost-efficient methods that can assist clients in enhancing relaxation and resilience, reduce stress and improve mood, and increase mindful awareness of being connected to something greater than the self. We too often see the impact of human activity on the degradation of the environment, from the exhausting of natural resources to the polluting of our air, water, and landscapes. We recognize that marginalized communities often bear the brunt of these atrocities, and have limited access to healthy natural settings. Social workers need to ensure that all people have equal access to environmental resources and have a voice in developing and implementing environmental policies and practices to ensure that these resources are sustainable and can be utilized to enhance human well-being. By fostering a deeper connection to nature and recognizing the interconnectedness of all living things, we can promote environmental stewardship and encourage sustainable behaviors. Efforts to preserve and protect our natural ecosystems will benefit all present and future dwellers on our planet.